Hey YouTube, we are staying here at the Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress in Orlando, Florida. This hotel is right outside Disney Springs, very close by. You can stay here with your World of Hyatt points if you have the credit card, or even if you just collect the points. And it is a Category 3 hotel, and we are staying in the standard room with 2 double beds. Let me show you around a little bit.
Here we are, room 1203, walking in, and you can see here on our left is the bathroom, which is a standard layout for most hotel rooms. We have a shower tub combo with a separate showering wand, nice big deep tub, and of course here on the wall, body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. Over here by the sink, hi everyone, we have couple more toiletries, some soap, some lotions, and over to our right we have the little toilet alcove and a makeup mirror. Now this bathroom isn't great for privacy if you're staying as a family or friends because the door is a sliding barn door and it is a frosted glass door. This is a closet with hangers and your usual hotel safe. Over here we walk into the main part of the room with the 2 double beds, very comfortable, plenty of pillows. And opposite that, of course, your storage with some drawers, mini fridge with 2 bottles of water, which World of Hyatt members always get their water included. And on this side you have your coffee and tea. 2 more drawers, plenty of storage, and a flat screen TV, of course. Turning here to the left, you have a little Chase lounge area, seating area. And then looking towards the right, you have your balcony with views over the rest of the hotel. You can see it's a pretty tall hotel with nice views of the garden.
Let me know in the comments below if you've ever stayed here before, if you're planning to stay here. Hit the like button, subscribe if you don't mind, and you can let me know if you have any questions on the Hyatt Regency Grand Cypress in Orlando near Disney, and I'd be happy to help. Thanks.
Leaving the room here and heading into the elevator, this is going to show you a view into the atrium, into the center of the hotel. And it is a glass elevator, so just be warned in case you're a little bit scared of heights. But the hotel and the lobby really is beautiful with this glass atrium, lots of greenery, and even a little bird, which you're going to see in a little while. Walking out here, we're going to walk into the main part of the lobby, and this is a view looking up to all those rooms from inside. And I just love this glass ceiling. Here's our friend Merlot, the macaw, I think. It's some kind of parrot. And that is not the first parrot that I've seen in Hyatt lobbies, and it gives you a nice little touch. They're always really fun to look at. We're going to take a walk outside now towards the pools, and you'll be able to see some more of the palm trees and some of the lush green gardens as we're walking. This day was raining a bit while we were filming on and off. But just a really nice resort for walking around and enjoying your time. Down here, we came down to the pools. You can see the ramps, so it is ADA friendly. And down here we have all these beautiful meandering paths and the swimming pool, which has grottos and a waterfall and a water slide. Really great for relaxing, hanging out. Lounge chairs everywhere, plenty of options for lounge chairs, for umbrellas. There's a restaurant down here. You can have more quiet areas. You can have more kid-friendly areas. So you have a little bit of everything. Through these lounge chairs, we'll take a little bit of a walk around the pool so you can see a closer up view of these waterfalls, and then we will take a quick walk into the grotto as well. I just love the Hyatt Regency hotels. You know, we also stayed at a Hyatt Regency in Maui, and it had a very similar feel to this Hyatt Regency, um, with all these nice rock formations. You can see there the backside of the waterfall. You can kind of swim into here. Taking a walk through to the other side now. And down here is also where you will find the gym for the hotel use in that door across there. And you take this little bridge over here to the left to get there. And walking straight through up these stairs here, you'll see there's also a bridge across the pool straight ahead that people can walk through. It's kind of fun for taking pictures. Now walking through the gym, you can see that it's pretty well stocked. Rowing machines, ellipticals, a Stairmaster. You have weight machines. I mean, compared to other hotel gyms that I've been in, I think that this one has quite a lot of equipment and very nice new equipment. You also have your free weights with your benches over here, some more weight machines on this side, and Peloton bikes, which is great. You don't see that everywhere. So if you just want to get your workout in, if you're maybe at a convention here, even on a family vacation, oh, back here we have all the treadmills as well. You have plenty of options. You have TVs on the walls. This is back outside towards the beach area, and here you do have bicycles for rent. Past here you have the beach area. This would not be an area for swimming. It's just for lounging, sunning, tanning. But it definitely would not be like a swimming beach. This is not on the ocean or anything like that, but it is nice to lounge under a palapa, feel like you're in the Caribbean, get some sun, especially if you're from those northern cold states. In the background there, you can see they have beach volleyball and just a lot of great activities for everyone, for all the families. Nice to even just go for a walk along the beach in the evening and just enjoy your time.
This hotel is really great if you are coming for a conference or business meetings and setting something like that up, because they do have a lot of conference rooms, a business center, a FedEx center for shipping, and as well as like private smaller meeting rooms. I did see they have some areas, nice areas for weddings as well. So if you are looking for something like a big hotel for a big group or a big convention, this would be a nice choice at the Hyatt.
I hope everybody enjoyed this video, give you a little tour of the Hyatt as well as our room. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you'd like, you can follow along for some more videos in the future, hotel tours, and travel content. Thanks!